Hey, good morning everyone. It's Nancy DNP, a caregiver success. We're out in Block Island, Long Island. It's a beautiful morning here. We have such clear water. Look at this clear water. You know, it's just gorgeous. Just kicking my feet in here. It's beautiful. And I brought my fishing rod. And there's a seal out here that's out fishing, but I hear he's stealing people's food, which is what seals do. Looking to see where he is. A little active, so he's kind of staying close to the shore. There's the seal. There's the big guy. He's hanging out here in the water. Yeah. Hey, big guy. Just sticking his snout out. Here he is. There he is. Isn't he cute? Enjoy your day, everyone. God bless.